Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning and for me that means it's cleaning day. I just woke up and I'm gonna do my morning routine, which there's gonna be a video uploaded this week later on. I'm gonna start with my laundry. This is your weekly reminder to wash your sheets and your pillowcases. In this video I'm gonna bring you guys around with me while I clean and reset my apartment. It's kind of like a January reset. As pretty as they are, the Christmas decorations need to come down. I need to run some errands too, so I'll bring you guys with me. This is going to be kind of like a type vlog as well, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Most important meal of the day, you already know, making sure I get a little bit of protein in to start the day. By the way, if you missed my hair straightening tutorial, it's up right now. I'm going to link it down below. I definitely dropped some gems on there, so make sure you go check that out. I'm also going to start the day with this bloom. I need a little bit of extra energy for all the running around that I'm going to be doing today. So starting in the kitchen, I'm going to put away last night's clean dishes. Then I'm going to wash today's dishes. I'm going to dry those and put them away.
Gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
With a multi-surface spray, I'm going to spray down all the counters and the backsplash, and I'm just going to wipe down all the counters.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not what I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe.
You may not see it, but each Christmas decoration that I have to take apart, I die a little inside.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, I just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again.
So guys, I have a little announcement. Starting this week, I'm going to be posting videos twice a week. So my upload days are going to be Tuesdays and Fridays.
Why would you show up?
This is all for you guys. I see that you're enjoying my content. Make sure you guys keep sending me ideas of different videos that you guys would like to see from me.
You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you.
if you wish that you could just leave your Christmas decorations up all year round, leave a comment down below. Let me know I'm not the only delusional one here. But nonetheless, you guys are gonna see me take stuff down, move stuff around, bring old stuff out. This is still pretty satisfying in itself, I'm not gonna lie.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
I don't know if I'm backwards for this, but I always sweep after I finish wiping down counters and dusting everything off. Say bye to our Christmas tree. So this concoction is for my couch. I pour some water into a bowl and then I mix some fabric softener in there. So of course this is for a fabric couch, but I just use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything down, the cushions and everything, and it just leaves the couch super clean and soft with a little lingering scent for the rest of the day. I love these microfiber towels. I got a pack from Walmart of like 12 for I want to say like $5 or $6, but I love them. I use them all around the house. You can use them wet or dry. You can wash them, reuse them.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
So what's up, y'all? I actually had to step out real quick because I had to come to the post office before they close because I have to send all those giveaway products out to the winners. They close at 2. The line is long as hell, so I'm probably gonna be here for a minute. Now I'm with my bestie on our way to Home Depot because we're looking for like a box, like a storage box to put the Christmas tree in, because when we bought it, it was just like it was already like assembled and no box at Home Goods, so we gotta go find one and then I don't know, run a couple little errands. Can I get the strawberry acai?
With lemonade or water?
Lemonade. Also have an iced caramel macchiato. 10 out of 10. Was it worth the hour wait? Honestly, probably not, but let's see if we can find what we're looking for. I feel like this was almost like too easy. Like we literally just walked in and that was the first thing that we saw. And it literally fit perfectly in the backseat of my car. This is bomb right here. And I prefer the liquid over the beads because I feel like the beads sometimes they don't break down all the way. Adulting is when you don't know which mop to choose. Clothes don't slip off. Walmart done came up for real. They got a display in here. At this point, I'm gonna move in here. Okay, truthfully, that took way longer than expected. I think we left the house at like 1 o'clock, and it's currently 4:30. Just gonna finish cleaning up, doing what I gotta do, and hopefully I can finish with enough time to still enjoy the rest of the night.
Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up.
This right here, this differentiates the girls from the women.
Cozy.
Don't forget the legs of the toilet, y'all. Alright, we are in the final stretch. If you guys have made it this far, make sure that you like this video, subscribe if you are not already, turn on those bell notifications so that you're notified every time that I post, and leave me a nice comment down below. Last but absolutely not least, I'm tidying up where I rest at, my bedroom. I get to put on my fresh clean sheets and pillowcases. So the bed is made. The only thing that you guys didn't see me do was obviously sweep and mop because I feel like that was getting kind of repetitive, but we are golden. When a woman cleans the house and turns them candles on, yeah baby, don't touch nothing.